Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for those who watch this video. In this video, we just gonna explain what we've got during the edu trip of Universitas Mercubuana Yogyakarta. Before we go, I would like to introduce the members of the group. The first one is me, Yoga. And yeah, I'm the one and only boy in this group. The one who stands next to me on my left is Nadia. And next to Nadia is Rahayu. Move to my right side, there is Devi, and next to Devi is Vita. We are from the 13th group of this edu trip, and hope you enjoy.
Hello guys, I'm Devi. In the first day, we visited on University of Brawijaya. We know that the University of Brawijaya is the one of the most popular university in Indonesia. The University of Brawijaya we visited in Malang City, East Java. We visited the Faculty of Cultural English Education Department. Here, we get a lot of knowledge and certainly discuss each other's universities or majors, one of which we can find out how the work programs they have. And then, we discuss about how the college system at the university we all have. You know, they have a nickname is Pebasis. And then we talk about what event we have held, like PBI University of Mercubuana Yogyakarta. The one of the event that has been held is PBI Awards. Event was held by the PBI University of Mercubuana Yogyakarta a lot more than Pebasis. The interesting thing about them is the work program they have. They have programs like broadcasting and then to be teachers of some institution or schools. The benefit they get is to train themselves to be better for mental, and their speaking practice become more fluent.
Hi guys, I'm Vita. In this edu trip, we also had a chance to visit one of the interesting tourist attractions in Batu Malang. Yes, it is Jatim Park 2. We visited Batu Secret Zoo and also Museum Satwa. At that zoo, we could see so many species of unique animals from around the world. We were so excited because for some of us, it was the first time we visited this place. While we were strolling around the zoo, we didn't forget to take some good pictures. We really enjoyed our short getaway, not only with friends, but of course with the lecturers also. We really had a great time there.
visited Universitas Nusantara PGRI Kediri or UNP Kediri. This visitation was a repulsive visit since UNP Kediri has been visited Universitas Mercubuana Yogyakarta before. In UNP Kediri, we had a discussion and exchanged our ideas with the lecturers. They have a good program for teaching English to young learners or TEL subject, which is the students required to make a book for teaching. The book that has been made by the students will be used to teach the children. Besides that, they also have like a peer teaching to strengthen the students' ability to teach. It was quite new for us. Meanwhile, in our study program, we more focus on how the way we teach the children and make some media to improve the teaching process. In the final test of our study program, we're required to teach in the real situation. The latest final test was we taught English to children in Gembira Loka Zoo, Yogyakarta. Overall, the TEL program of UNP Kediri is something new for us. We talk a lot and ask each other in order to improve our teaching ability. This was such a nice occasion that we can visit UNP Kediri. Hope we can see you soon. After we had our visitation in UNP Kediri, we moved to Language Center. Language Center or LC is the one of English course in Kampung Inggris, Pare, Kediri. LC has three base programs such as intensive learning, complete learning, and master program. In intensive learning, the students will join the class and get some facilities like math, English area, materials to learn vocabularies, daily conversation and expression will be led by the best tutor. They will also get a module, diary, t-shirt, and of course a certificate after they have finished the program. About the English Master program, this program is made for those who want to learn English from the basic until master. This course will not only talk about theories, but students will also learn about how to teach English in easiest way and fun to other people. In English Master program, the students will get some facilities also, and the facilities are more complete than the other program. Based on our visitation in LC, we've got a new knowledge. We learned how to improve our speaking skills in different way. The tutor taught us about role play. The tutor gave us a piece of paper about the story and let us to read and catch the context. After that, we need to make our own conversation based on the story that we've just read. By doing that, we could use our expression and improve our speaking skills. Well, there was such a nice moment that we've got during we visited Language Center.
Hello, Mr. Harry.
Hello, Yuka.
So I want to ask you, what is your opinion about this edu trip of Universitas Mercu Buana Yogyakarta?
Yeah, this is our first edu trip, and I think it will be very beneficial to us. It's related with the student learning outcome, and they will know how the nuance of our academic program, like the Tri Dharma, visiting other university, knowing about how our collaboration with them. Then the important thing is know about our graduate profile, like in LC, yeah, in Kampung Inggris, we can know that as the outcome of our study program, we can have the teacher planner. That's why we can get more. Then I think, yeah, based on this experience, you can apply it later on in your daily life.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Yeah, welcome you guys.
Hello, so now we are with Mr.
Edges.
Edges. Okay. So, Mr., what is your opinion with this Mercu Buana edu trip?
Okay, I think this good idea to spending time, not only what is that, go to some place, only spend the time, but you come here to learn about a little bit about English is a good idea, because your major is about English, that you have to know about how the way to teach a student or another people. I think this is a good idea.
Is it the first time that LC have like these kinds of, what is it,
Like-
occasion? This kind,
Okay,
yeah.
no, because during that we have a program, there are many students, not only university, but start from elementary school, junior high school, and senior high school. They came here to learn only 2 hours, and then there are 2 weeks or a month. There are many.
Okay. Guys, do you have any question for?
Yeah, of course they must not only have to, but must learn about English here. There are mess also, there are camp, and 24 hours they must speak English. If they break the rule, there are some punishment. There are good punishment. As you maybe seen before, there are someone speech over there on the stage for about 5 minutes. 1 word, 1 point. If someone got 25 points, they must speak over there on the stage for about 5 minutes.
The students from elementary school, they have to speak English also.
Yeah, of course, they must speak English. Maybe we have time, maybe a week is okay mixed with Indonesia, but the next week they must speak English. We have a time. Because our purpose to come here to learn about English, we have to more practice.
So, guys, any question more? Okay.
Yeah, we are as a teacher. Maybe you can give us tips to be a teacher, or maybe when using this little bit behavior or potential.
Okay, for the first time that you have to know about the condition in the class. For the first time, all the students, because your position is not only the teacher, but as parents to your children. Of course, you have to know about the problem, about the background and the others. If you closer with your student, of course, it will be as like family. It's not only children and then members, but not only that, but it's like family. If the condition like this one, maybe it's good.
So, that's all the opinion from Mr. Edges. Yeah, and it's very good occasion for us to visit this language center in Kediri. Thank you for watching. So
Okay.
goodbye.